Hello class, this is Miss Caitlin. I have been seeing a consistent overall need for a video specific in publishing. So I'm going to go ahead and use my snowman example on how to do so. This is my snowman scene. I converted it from action script with no actions. I just did my animations. I even have the button set up. And then I converted to canvas, which made this file where I updated my code. Because code from ActionScript converted will not work. It will comment it out, and it might not be the right type either. So it's good to just do all your coding in HTML. And I added an image here, so you can still edit different things once you've converted. So from here, say I'm ready to turn this in, what you're going to do is go to your publish settings, and you want to usually turn off loop timeline and uncheck include hidden layers. So if you want to test something, you can hide it here in the layers, and it won't actually show up when you publish it. So it should look how it looks in your scene. You also want to change this to sprite sheet. It's usually set to texture. Sprite sheet combines your images multiple into a single sprite sheet of images, which saves on file size and loading time. And some weird things, like sometimes your button won't even recognize it's a button if this isn't set to sprite sheet. It's a very weird error. It's a bug, but this is the fix that I found works the best overall. First thing I do whenever a student turns something in not working is I change this and republish, and 8 times out of 10, everything's fine after that. So once you have those settings set, you're going to go to your output name, select your publish destination, and what I'm going to do is, just to make this simple, I'm going to make a brand new folder in my computer. You can put it wherever you save things. And I'm going to go ahead and name this HTML package and save inside this folder. So when I publish, everything needed to make that HTML package will work put in that folder for me, which should include the HTML, the JavaScript folder, as well as a folder called images, which includes the images in my scene. If you do not have any imported images in your scene, so you've made everything using the shape building tools, you will not have that folder. It depends on how you made your project, whether it's required. So once you have that set, publish, and I'm going to go to my package, and now I have these things made. If you do not have an images folder and you think you need one, check your settings. If you're not sure, check your HTML. If it works in here in this folder, then you're good to go. So these three things work together to make a working HTML package. So to turn this in, what you're going to want to do is, now that you have the HTML working in your browser, you're going to now save and save as in here. So everything right here, you don't need this recover, you can delete it. These 4 things would work in your submission, so you can compress to zip and turn that in. And when you submit it, the first thing I'm going to do is extract this folder. Double click your HTML. Check that everything works inside here, and then any feedback I'm going to go ahead and show you from your FLA. Hopefully that clears things up, and if you have any further questions, be sure to let me know.